What I'm going to do next is put a cable crimp on here, go through the loop, come back around, put it through the crimp, and smash it down with a hammer. This 200-pound capacity cable is never going to come loose once that crimp is on there. So gotta make sure we do it right. So first we're going to put it through the loop and put it through there. And I'm going to do the other side before I get it down, so I can even them out a little bit. Put the cable crimp on. Through. Like so. That looks pretty close. Okay, I'm going to put that out towards the end a little. That looks good right about there, I think. And maybe a little. That looks pretty even. And I just smash it down. Without smashing my fingers. That's never coming off.